ရှိပါကကာငနေငsak mi kapung ka chui chui khamai le ka chui khamai ti khamati ka nga shan ra ka nga shan shong fu za da la sa ma la sa ma chui khamai le ka nga ning ra li ka nga ning ra iwi pra iwi ama chui khamai le ka nga mi le ka ra ra le ka shi ba ka ka nga ni nga sa mil shit ka sang ping ka sip ka va sang ping ka si chui kamatai chui mai ka pa kamata chui mai shong fu za da la sa ma ri za da o ka chui na nga shan ka ra shan ka iwi pra iwi ama chui khamai le kanga mi le ka ra ra le ka shi ba ka ka nga ni nga sa mi le sai kor na pam se Please be seated. Saya se hak kamadaya. Itum sai ko ruli kasa kaba ovra. Asisi miksho hiya. Matakak ina ringkalu ya si miksho hili. Cindri ina freshi akasada. Nali saya sakaba atam si miksho ne. Hili ngapai shok laka ajiva MPF kuciwi meeting itu saiko rena ning sazala kana rai hi ko thasani khla ta chukte khla atam ta yak sak wawra itu matum hi tharan hi itu avura muti ngai ye itu avura mu gishan gichon ngabai ngai ye mi khang te ti mam ti ke kichi char ro mi chan mai chon mai ngabai lage sat ke te ma chut tak le atam hili ye pro ho simik sho hi ne ka pha simik shang sang sang mi lo proi thum phap makata tra khale ko phap makata hi tang yem khawai wang mak thai ji thai sing khui khawai wang aina aji ba ram kata ro mo in la Kichicha wisina lupa ashi kuing tok sai korisijin laka nganai laka haya apam thada yo broho apam hilo unjang laka pinglak pena rai hui wang ning se de hang lak re de rasang hai ko e phakam tai yo broho ithum bathemne ithum shamne mujing saklak alo ara MPF da khangka khaya flakli yun laka ping lak enai thu watsake ithum likhang chon milo ithum likhalum chen milo khiwang klej lakha vibra acha lakhala rai khawaji tran le ya vibra nanang ning mi da rai chimok kuprang lakhai na tangta nanang ning mi ye simik lamang chungsak ne da hang rai chimok kuprang lakhai na tangta simik ina tangta ngarai je ithum liwa Pagi tu cia, cimik shoji, orang sumrang kain tante. Arai tu mirai hi, panglah kain ko, pro neng ning minojo. Itu masat hai bai sini, itu mui hai bai sini, peng pok hai bai sini. Itu flek li yang laka. Nawi masun ji, hang shok dah. Kalau MPF juga kelati. Pro mamasung kui mata lay saka masung kui kawai ni kujung kaji hosok milo itu matai saka tei kawai thay đã hàng chỉ thay khá vai mi cứ chung cái chỉ hồ sốc mi lo ta ari we program hi wo ho phok lak rang la ka na ra ho phok mi na rang chang mi lo ta I thum ling atang khamia pro ho Jisu Christo we ming sing ta say ha ka sa ne amen
Ning Shilagare Mrs. Wiley Siasami Khaijuwang. Now we have welcome address and introduction from Esping Amripi, Working President NBF Women Wing MSU. Api, you can take your time.
Thank you, moderator. Growing up, I was brought up to believe that there is strength in unity because unity is the biggest power for people who believe in a common cause. So with the same intention here today, NPF Humpung Unit has organized this one-day consultative meeting bringing all its grassroots leaders under one roof so that we can inspire and motivate each other and carry forward this people movement and win the 12th Manipur legislative election with a landslide majority. Because we believe that together we can. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure to stand before you all and be able to welcome all of you to our one-day political consultative meeting here at Katy Rock Hall. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I would now like to extend my very special warm welcome to our special distinguished guests and party leaders, many of whom have traveled from far to be here with us today. And later today, we will all be very honored to hear from our distinguished guests and party leaders. But before we come to that part of the program, before we come to that part of the program, it is my honor to introduce our party leaders and distinguished guests to all our grassroots leaders here. I'd like to start with Sir Wikehesu, Honorable MLA, Government of Nagaland, NPF, Manipur, in charge. Yarui, Lirikwesa introduce Apang Pangla. Thank you so much for joining us here today, sir. Next, Sir Samuel Rissom, Working President, NPF Central. Thank you, sir. Next, Madam Anne Sidem, CEC member and a former chairman of Nagaland Hotels & Co. Thank you so much, madam. Next, I have the pleasure of introducing Mr. Tony Host Sikki, General Secretary, COB. Thank you. Next, I would like to introduce Madam Hitoli Achumi, COB Secretary, Central Kohima. Thank you, Madam. Ms. Yanhola Yim, President, NPF Women Wing Central, and her colleagues, please. Ms. Akulu. Thank you. Thank you to both of you. Next, Sir N. Frankie, Chief Agent to Sir Ram Muiva, Candidate 44 Area Constituency, Ukhrul. Thank you, sir. Y.L. Filson, Star Campaigner to Sir Ramning Muiva, 44 Area Constituency, Ukhrul. Thank you so much. Next, Madam Y.L. Ningnim, Senior Vice President, NPF Women Wing, Manipur State Unit. Thank you so much. Ms. Y.R. Philachon, Press Secretary, NPF Women Wing, Ukhrul Division. Madam Youngmila Kusung, President, NPF Women Wing, 44 Area Constituency. Sir N. Isaac, President, NPF Humpung Unit. Thank you so much. Now the next set of leaders that I have the honor of introducing. Before I introduce our next special group of leaders, I have been reminded that I have, forgotten to introduce someone very senior and important to our party's movement. Uncle Stephen Kassar, advisor to Sir Ram Muiva, candidate for 44 area constituency. Thank you, sir. And thank you, moderator, for reminding me. Thank you. All right. Now, the next set of special group of leaders that I would like to introduce, I would like to, read out all their names together, and we will all rise up together. President S.K. Kapang Singh, President NPF Youth Wing, Humpung Unit. And his colleagues. And President NPF Women Wing, Humpung Village Unit. And all the presidents and all the executive members of all the NPF sub-units under NPF Humpung units, and all the NPF self-help group leaders and members. Shall we all rise up together, and I would like to request to acknowledge their presence with a big massive round of applause. Thank you for joining us. Please, shall we all rise up together? Nganing karum sir say issue we Humpung unit we are jingli le dakale leaders ping. Thank you, thank you. These are the NPF Army men and women with whose help and effort we are going to win this election, sir and madam. Thank you so much. It was an honor for me to introduce all of you. Let's have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. Asping Amrepi, Working President, NPF Women Wing Manipur State Unit 41, and gladful introduction and welcome address. Now we have a short speech. A short speech. First of all, ML Unchipam, convener, NPF Youth Wing, Humpung Unit, Anatam Kumirino. Right after that, YL Filson, star campaigner for NPF candidate Ojara Muning Wiwa. Thirdly, we have Ms. Yanhola Yim, President, Women Wing, NPF Central. Fourthly, we have Anin Kim, CEC member, NPF Central. Matang Adam Kumirino.
I shall not be addressing each and everyone seated on the dais this afternoon. That is already been done by the moderator. But our respected Vicky Hosu, Honorable MLA Government of Nagaland, NPF Manipur in charge, and Frankie, Chief Agent to candidate 44 AC. All the leaders on the dais, Azingli Bamdakle, Shavai Shavai, Kurwi leaders, Sai Korole, Humpung Unit, Youth, NPF Wimatunzada, Salam Sadale, Unfortunately, the president today is under the weather. He's not keeping well. So, on behalf of him and his team, I shall try to wrap up in a word or two. Hikatha gazibli ramnau bingli dikura khamang la share sakbai sam kapongwang ringpai. Ina og thuili ra og thuilaga regrets ka chung kalai ka ina thangkhani the regret magasahi khikla jika NPF we pro supporter aka khangasahi iwang regret masalak mune Hungpung le NPF we youth we have hundreds of youths in Hungpung NPF supporters. He arila mangatsila Sheikh Masala Pang may the later clay he Qvang Klada in the Majuglaga Yo NBF Hungpung Youth NBF Ping he Kajikta NBF Classay Sir Samuel we NPF ka Sir Ram we NPF ka Kipa we NPF Klada question Sajane Kakipaka we NPF Masa Samane they themselves are the Atum Klada NBF he Kiklada Tishing Quilaga Katunga Kachunga Ralala NBF Wanga Ning Shon Kachi Youth Sasa Sere Sir Samuel Ticket Kapo Adamli Itum Katom Laga Youth Laga Tomra the Pumsaye NBF Li Kala Jita the Ramamanda Ticket J ceremonially awards away and with the blessing of Sir Samuel Rizom today Itum Katonga Sir Ramuningli Katomra Gaji resolve Salaga Zatalaye Aya ina Nagaland li Sot na akli fonsa gajena Na ki party li zat liklay da ina han jinali Ana iliki ka mahang mane Na larik tam kui na maningla Ta iling hane Are you even educated to ask me whether or not I am NPF? Jena ma mashung gajange Tam kui ga hai shikui ga hai machuk the ga hai mi aka here NPF league tom ngi the Nagas across artificial boundaries NPF Ivang and particularly NPF youth kuchunga chatalaye kaji aya thailaga ichum hungpung youth li confidence la kuchunga push sang sake Rarada clay election hili Yurna kala NPF na strategies yek laga hita da sashokra da yek da kleji machuk da kleji li yud na katomra hungpung yud na katomra achu hiva no we ego iwi ego katonga herda pungra let's leave aside all our domestic differences, the differences that we have in many aspects whatsoever. Ngarai gaja for a greater cause. Itum rangarum plungra kala NPF irrespective of the constituencies 44, 43, 45 kala Manipur kanchok laga NPF we candidate kutongli itumui support extend saprungra gaji hi appeal sangai Now asada Hungpung NPF unit youth wing we matun sada party na yurna tarkar sa itum li shijin ngai da kle itum wi khang jon dar ga sa jitran we are there yut ngning da le ye itum li hangra mi lo itum da ka thi khring phai pang ka ting la ga ot salak ra ga ji hi assure ka sa hi na so da iwi ka shi speech ka tang sa ge kuk na lem
Honorable MLA, Legislator in Charge, MSU, also the star campaigner of Central Team, who is not other than Sir Y. V.K. Su, Honorable Working President, NPF Central, Anay Kiam, President, Women Wing Central, and her esteemed colleague, Khayashi Khangiya, issue candidate, we advisor, Oja Stephen Kasar, Chief Agent, candidate with Chief Agent, Sir Frankie, MSU Women Wing, President, Lamri P, Vice President, Ning Nim, Ukrul Division with Press Secretary, Ms. Pila John, Umbum Kurik will NPF unit with President N. Isaac, Tang Tang, Women Wing with Katana Ping, SST Lo Shemkai Tahangi, Umbum Youth Wing NPF with President Kapang Singli Program Sangai Sai Kari Thauman Laga Laka Ali Pasali Pira Raida Mara Sungra La Taida Jiwang Maring Pamani Umbung Youth Maling Laka no Sadale Ratsan Kaya Karanau Bing Ojaringa Hiu Long Ajay Kanre Long Bai Kumongam Long Arajile Awa Innocent Le Pandele Ajay Ring Sui Long Karanau Trak Karadele Hungvili Wire Jonathan Long itum Karanau Trak La Pandele Jingpai Ningshi Humbum now Akang Sada headquarterly Kapama Tangkul now Akang Sada Ringpalake headquarterly Pame Humbum now Negaji Ringpalake Tangkul now Negaji Ringpai Naka now Negaji Ringpasap Iwang Timange Itumili Katemla Kamatala Sagasabla Trakali Kaitum he Adam Kajita Ninyang Nairigati Malay Rasu Larigla Temaire Lunla Singare Karila Tawaire Kika Salla Itum he Mavadmane the Hampai Kina Klaka Itum Likavad Lashon Gaji Akale Karing Karakli politics Momsum Turaka Iwi Khan Masamang Turaka Ringapa Mangayamra should make Sulakaina in the Jangai Ati Iramangana Itumikasi Kangi Sir Samuel Na Ramaning Wivali blessing me the Sokami me the Itum Kok Kasada Likatom Kase that's at the Kalewilungli Itumita the Raka Gazipang Hungry Shitke Psycho Rana Ninkala Kaina Leshila Kaina Vonna Mida Itum Katong Maikia Samung Sase Servikeho Anakian and her esteemed colleagues present here, I would like to say something about Hungpung village. This is passing down story, history, that Hungpung village is oldest and biggest village in Tangkul tribe. Oldest and biggest village in Tangkul tribe. At present, we have 2,600 houses, purely Hungbung village, 2,600 houses. But including all the Tangkhuls settling in our jurisdiction, it is more than 4,000 houses here. Population is more than, they said, 14,000. 14,000. And I was the convener of Constitution Drafting Committee, Hungbung Village. We have a provision, being in the district headquarters, we have a provision in the Constitution that is dual citizen. Everyone has his own Baran village, but they shifted here, they want to settle in the town, they want to settle in the headquarters, so we give them the room. That is the provision. Now all together, 4,000 houses. Now let us come to the politics. We have more than 13,000 voters here at a stretch of 7 kilometers from nearby bridge there. At a stretch of 7 kilometers, there are 13,000, more than 13,000 voters. We have human resources, and we have a lot of natural resources. We are proud that we are Hungbung villager. I am Hungbung villager. We are proud that we are Tangkhul. And we are very proud that I'm Naga. I always carry this identity. We have everything. However, we all feel incomplete. We all feel incomplete all the time, in all areas. Why? I have a determination, my self-determination. That is Naga National Movement. At this very hour, I was having a dream always. When after I met Sir V.K. Hosso, one day we want to invite him, come to my soil and witness my village also. And we would like to share our grievances. We would like to share our resources. We would like to share our opportunity strength. Now all these things, we have natural resources, human resources, everything we have. But we always feel incomplete. We have so many learned persons, educationists, many. But still, we are incomplete. Everybody will feel feelings of incomplete all the time. It is just because of politics. And I was in different political parties. But when I joined NPF, I really feel relief. I really feel relief. Not like BJP. It is not like Congress. The uniqueness of NPF is I really feel happy. And I am satisfied. But I still have my aspirations, my determination. That is Naga National Solution. And as we all know, NPF stands for our rights. NPF stands for our aspiration. This is the only, for me, this is the only party I have to stick in my whole life. So, with all these 13,000 voters, all these resources, all these natural resources, we are living, we are playing our politics of NPF. I think this kind of party, this very party will only achieve our aspiration. So Hungbung village we have also one history that all the Dangkhul small villages, they are all descendants of Hungbung headmen. They are all descendants of Hungbung headmen. Once the Hungbung village have a decision, it is always very, very easy to convince the other headmen. And they are always ready to follow our headman's decision. This is our convention. Earlier, thousands of years from since time immemorial, Hungbung has Supreme Court. We call it Kalangshim. Many different villages, they may have different cases. If they can't settle the case, they will bring here. My headman is the chief Supreme Court justice at that time, since time immemorial. This is the opportunity and the strength of Samuel Risong. He always lead us. He leads the Hungbung village in politics, and that if he is in the other different political party, Hungbung villages will not follow him. But since it is NPF, we will surely we will have our fullest support. We will give always our mandate to Samuel Risong, Sir Vicky Hor, Sir Suhozile, every collective leaders of NPF. With these few words, let me conclude here. Thank you so much. Kuk Naleng.
Thank you, Mr. Ungchipa Mahong, Convener, NBF Youth Wing, and Mr. Wal Filson, Star Campaigner, for the challenging and inspiring messages. Yes, of course, indeed. For NBF, it is our great pleasure and positive that Mr. Filson was not with us during 2012 and 2017 general election. He was with INC. But with his leadership, under his leadership, it is our great hope that this time, 2020-22 election, Hungbung NBF will bring great changes in the election. Thank you so much once again. Now we have a short speech from Ms. Yan Hola Yim, President, Women Wing, NBF Central. Ma'am, please take your time.
Moderator of today's program, ML Ning Nim, Vice President of NPF, Women Wing MSU, most respected our Honorable MLA, Sir YB Kiho Su, who is the in charge of Manipur in charge, and also the team leader of Ukhrul team. And Sir Samuel Risong, Working President, NPF Central, and Mr. N. Frankie, Chief Agent to Candidate 44 AC, and who is also, I'm not familiar with the name, the advisor, President and all the rank and files from the division MSU up to Hungbung Tungre, as well as the media, and all the leaders who are gathered here. I would like to, on behalf of Central Office, I extend greetings to you all. Here, I'm really proud to see more members in Women Today in today's program. And as I don't have to speak much, as you know it better. But I would like to say that from all the way from Nagaland, led by our Honorable MLA who is in charge, we came here since the election is going on in Manipur. And being considered ourselves representing by NPF party, we are Nagas. And our Naga friends, Naga brothers, Naga sisters are here in Manipur as well. That is the only reason we came here, to support you and to encourage you and to motivate you, though we cannot go and cast even a single vote. But here, this is the time that in Manipur state, of course, you have 60 seats. Out of that, in hill areas, we are tribal people. So for tribal people, you know you have the past, you have that experience, you know better, though we cannot explain it. I cannot explain it. But to overcome all the difficulties, to overcome all the grievances that we are facing till now, we need a true leader. We need a good leader. And then we have a platform, as the NPF party is the only platform where all the Nagas come together and work together. We need, irrespective of all the tribes, all the tribals, this is the right time for us to go and support, go and elect a good leader, so that the NPF party, the Naga representative, will be in the formation of the Manipur government. Because even if we bring any leader, whoever it is, if we do not have the power to go against, to protect our rights, to fight for our rights, if we are not in the government, that would be helpless. So this time, we are pretty sure, we have a confidence that NPF is also, like last term, NPF is also going to be with the government. NPF will be there in the formation of Manipur government. So we have to elect a leader, that is Sir Ram Muiwa, who has been given the NPF ticket for 44 AC constituency. We have that confidence that Sir Ram Muiwa will come back, because we believe in you. Here, as I've said earlier, that we just came here to motivate, to encourage you only. But now we leave it up to you to go and bring a good leader. And if you have a good leader, I'm sure this hill area will no longer be in that situation where we are facing now. So let us all work together, all the political, not only the political parties, but good to know that from self-help groups, there are many organizations that came in and joining us in this meeting. That's what we know, that women have got the strength. We have to show our strength, because now in politics also, women's participation in politics is very important. So besides all other activities, this is the time, it is the right time to work for the party, to work for the lead, to go and bring in the good leaders. So we need to bring in, we have to support each other to work for the party. And I'm sure, seeing here, not only the political parties, but from other organizations are also here, the way you are doing, we need to work we need to work more. We have to give more efforts. So since after me, many good speakers will be coming with a good topic, so I would just, with the greetings, only let me just conclude my short speech. Thank you. And I wish you all the very best for victory.
Thank you, Ms. Yanhola Yim, President, Women Wing NPF Central, for your inspiring message. Not only that, you have shown your support to our Naga brothers and sisters here. You and your team have come all the way from Nagaland to show your support. Thank you once again. Now we have a short speech from Madam Annie Kim, CEC member, NBF Central. Ma'am, you can take your time.
NPF Humpung Unit Natumli Ningshi Haire. Sorry, I will not for Ningshi Haire for giving me time. Sorry, I will not address all the people over here, but then one or two names, as the time is short. My leader will come next after this, so I will take a short time. Honorable MLA, Sri Vikheho, Nagaland MLA, Manipur in charge, Sri Samuel, Vice President and Campaign Director, Manipur, Moderator, M.L. Ningnim. Today I stand here on behalf of Sri Ram Moiva. I bring greetings from our President, Dr. Surozele, NPF President, and Mr. T.R. Zeleng, UDA Chairman. As the time is short, one or two points I would like to share with you all, which is on my mind. As you all know, today in this Ukhrul 44 constituency, our candidate, NPF candidate Sri Ram Moiva, as I know him from before, he is a man of character. Sri Ram Moiva, retired from the top post of IS officer and NEC, carrying the experiences and have the heart to serve the people of Ukhrul. So, my dear brothers and sisters, we should never lose this chance. And we need a leader like him who is experienced to go in the front. And I, on my part, I have a full faith and confidence, trust, that you all will, my dear brothers and sisters, will vote for our NPF candidate, Sri Ram Moiva. Today I'm standing here, I di Manipuri giwa phajana ngaiba khangde. Adushu ama ani khara khambadu nakhoi loina ma khaibige ngasi asida lumpungi. Akhoi NPF party bu nungsiraga nakhoi NPF party bu Sri Ram Moiva bu vote tabio hairaga nakhoi ngonna ai ngasi asida khara tauraga nakhoi ngonna asi hange aduga Ukhrul 44 constituency ma MLA taurabdi karam experience Shen Gumba development Gumba karam purake ma khange ma purapi nakhoi ngona ma development taubige adui damak nakhoi opposition ai ngasi atai party gi wa haide akhoi party khatani adui damak kerigi karam ma development pura pigera asida ashi ukrulgi karam purakera adu nakhoi loi namak matbu join hands tauraga mabu elect tauraga ma minister tauraba MLA tauraba su nakhoi development gi yengo hairaga ai ashi nakhoi loi namagi ashi appeal tawe adu idamak ai gi topic di short ni adu su asida nungairaga akhoibu nungsiraga asida hapira kok da NPF da vote haipio haira ai haye. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Anikem, CEC member, NBF Central, for reminding us once again that what kind of vision our NBF candidate, Sir Ram Wiva is. Thank you so much once again, ma'am. Ishui, Madam Anikem, ye, 2 years nagaji. Tena rimpana ye ana Ram today ji, ana arika hang tada ava mighty to lamatu te, to junga matu te ka. Ana itum hili Manipur libam laga my day to come to it moment to him, of course. Katalala awi uklungli ana paning the lay ocharam ning wivahi itum the kapangagi the itumivang ning the lay candidate kachikatami hile gachiwili challenging salaga itumli ocharam ning wivahi bo hikatami ko itum psychorna gutom hidle ko averbing the itum shimkurmi being the apai pon we rai kangarali candidate fit some I do the lady Nully development Kuragi Gishi, Kalaitum NBF Wivang and Ninga higher candidate he itum Wang Hilera Kurami Airway to Saikor Aliko Tom say that Awi Uklung and Hang Sami Hawiva. Madam Lila Ningshilagare, once again, thank you so much. Now we have a speech. Firstly, we have N. Frangi, Chief HN to NBF candidate 44 Ukrul Ramganing Wiva. Secondly, we have Sir Vicky Hosu, Honorable MLA Government of Nagaland. He is also in charge of Manipur NBF. Thirdly, we have Sir Samuel Rizom, working President, who is also the chairman for 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election 2022. Sir N. Frankie, you can take your time.
Good afternoon, one and all. Saigoroli Simiksho Hiwi Lekia Shalam Chipundi. At the very outset, I, on behalf of the Sri Ramganing Wiva, candidate 44 Ukru constituency, extend a deep honor and respect to our MLA, Sri Vicky Hosu, MLA Government of Nagaland and NBF Manipur in charge, and also all the team coming from Nagaland. I would like to linear excuse me, for I would like to switch on to our dialect for the maintaining the time constraint here. Moderator, we may have come in and English Junka Pongshokle. Jan and the soda. Tai sleep on the layer. Kashik near it to make a tanabing. Gala, the Zibili raz on the layer. Reachum now we clear now being. Tanabing. Gala, NBF we. What's the grumbing? Higadam Avankasaga, Ilila Chikamida. Programmily organized summit of Labing Leaning Shikjung Bong Shokle. Archie Civic Show, 27th February, Maroon, 2022, Martin Civic Show Hili, Itumda, hiwi wangai na hi ta da bam rum da le kla ke chi hi ke chi cha na la phaning la ga le da le de itum le Manipur ngale hiwi konum hili hangwo shimli sang ba ya bingning ka bang ki ki chiwi itum na ngaseklop paina le her hili ki pa mo mai na sang bai de kala ngading ki chi ki pa mai kla ki chi itum na yarui na mu chu ki chiwi atam ra haw da itum khang rum na rum da khle hiwi hili Naga people suffer we ka sip na da shan khuye kala Naga people suffer le ka doma mi ping na da ning mi chana ka na ra ka haya mi ping na da shan khui la ka hili itum ka sik rum da kle na Naga people suffer hi itum ya family 2011 le phung pha mi da phung pha sang mi ka haya itum me manga le ning da le kya shikngia itum me oja somewhere resom ne itum me ex Emily Ramhili phung pha sang me haya party ne hui meramle ana kachung kha itum le ridala jithemi phaptang sak mi chismi gai ne aruila ang ning dale hui mangale ina le theme khara ki ka mahang ramre che khiwang la chika ana itum me phung pha sang me ga haya ne chena awi mangale ina kya kha ma hang ke kha hian ng sun la ga ina hangai tui ma tui de khle hi na khui la ga ki mi yur chat kla ga chi itum le shan khui ngsak ka tui jina tui ma tui de khle ya yur chi hi wi mi yur chat ne ga chi chi pha shok ngsak ke kala chi tha da khama gang ma kang ting ga ha ya ngishan ma yon da le de khle ya yur chi ka ka shung yur chat na de ka dong na shan khui ba ba mai a chi itum tang ko naga mi yur ne kala humbum ri chum nau ne ima humbum hi tang rong le liva a khok ka shine ha kok na da ka hang hi na tum itum la shai ki wi wang mrao Kiwi Wang Marao Na Iwi nga shan Ka shung da nga ziplak ka na leida khlaya Ka lay jiwi Mi yura ka sada leida khlay wi wang Itum hakok na da mi na shan kuit le Phung pa kharaya ram na da Kala chi arwi na shung da Humbong lay lay chi leida le Itum yur Ishi Rijum nao Tang khur ping Ka shung lak ka haya nga shan le hau ka da ka shunga mi yurna da le hau ka da itum ara chile khile na iwi rijum na ka sa da mashun ili avava le sardak le ne kalanda I khle wi wang yur ka chi chi na ili ko khone ara hili iwi mama ka shung mau ka shung le da khle hili kipana hili mayon mir kan mir kala hi wang ki panang ning gar bi yur chat ka de na na I wi wang mang ning mi mra na I na I wi maram hi na I wi khawat hi theidak le ne hi wi wang na hi ning khawai kala hi wi kan mi khawai I chumi ming ning sa khawai ka chui sem hai dak le hi naga people suffering hi wi NPF party hi ne Hina itumi mishun hina iwi ngishan ning khui gi gi ne kala hiwi party hina mangna ning ga baya matui ga baya platform chi hi li le da khle ne chena NBF we riyan le NBF we riyan le da khle hiwli matha lak kaina itum we Sat ki che itum me kring correctly kala itum na okthwa ki che le machu ka sak kai la ga ya sem ga ha ya rak ga ha ya riyan le ka chung tha le ye kha na thum le akha phni ung sak ngai hi wi karin aims and objective le da le chu wi article chu wi number 2 wi clause A and B chi le ma thala ka na ka bi hai da le ne itum na ning ka salaga itum naga people we itum mi bing hi ma talaga na ning la ka itum kok ka salaga Indo naga we chan nga sek hili itum ka tom chingra ma kuprang nang da itum ka tom la ka chi ungsung sakra ka chui kang ning le re ka chui krinji chili sang kala lang me karda itum naga mi yurbing hi akha ai na akha we kamishit kamano kok ka sa ka tom ai na mi rinjili ok thui la pra ok thui wa re ka chui ka pi sang ka hai krin chili itum naga we integrity chili sang the claim richum now wing hi tha ta le kha chili ki pana ngning ro ki pana ma tui mi ki chi ki pana itum le chi wi wang phayet mi wi ki chi ara chi wi ka bang tam ra ki chi ne hi wi wang a chi wi hang wi ka bang ki chi atam hi le ming ning ka bang sang ro ki chi than le NBF wi wang ta ma ka bang ticket khami hi Ramganing Mui Valley, Mika Haine, retired IAS. Ara Itumbing, Anna Kapika High, Anna Reader, Hitatas Ida or Sasai, Kapishok High lighting Natum, Sampang Surrender in a junk of Mum to value get you found. Natum Lee, Bishan Ukruda, lighting Lemmy, Circa Haine, Sampang Surrender, Bakui Surrender, Aramanatum Bakui Haichuli, in a hungry gigi. In a Mavak Bay, Mavak Shung, Jungsang, not on the Papilla, Temikai, Jungsang Babamere. Wajaji, Singum Tumrada Panga. Government Shore Gawi, what Saga higher, mean. Experiencedly, Laka higher, mean. Galaji, Mukunle, Laka higher, a Chamaram, a Chay rate, Laka higher, mean. For a she rinley, but a Laka higher, me a Kapabame. Anna, Yari Shorgali, Anna, Otam Tsuga, the Shorga Widi, Otam Tsuda, Zingum Tumrada Panga, Otam Rag higher, Mutsumi higher, Zingum Tumrada Pagawi, experienced Kaliji, Ara, Archie Anna retired Sada, later Clayly, Yarwi being hilly, Sakrumda, Otam Tsugane, Iwi Ning, Iwi Yang Bangship, Inno, Satanda Clayly, Ila Jo, Akishimangla, Yarwi Wang E. Otam Tsuga, the Ningaga higher. Jong shock higher, Yakoka Akane. Hitranly, itum keep an English. The pa leader, Commissioner, Katana leader, ya Lenija Parajang the Duilimitui. Archie to me Bangali. Bashung Laka higher, Tante Lakiki, the pa, Katana Aka rounding head. He lead to the Kimuchukle. Itum the Hanghai Saji, Araka Tower. Penning Queen Sangay, Richum now being. Archie to Lipam the Clay, Colonel Junga Zangle, Iwi, Shajuangra, Shavanga, Arana to Machuklaka, Hina Pame Cabragachi, quick shopper, Minging Mangarahi. Hili, Natumna, Machuquimilo. Kapa, Kamishunga, Tanaka, Rangning Haraka, Itum the Chili, Majang, Maya Chawagachi, Itum Sai, Gorowi, Gagatomhi, Shokran Harry. Kala shokus the Krana the Shanguere, Juivangana. Kabangi Hili, Yang Zakse. Rivaj in the Kabangi Haya, Kala Hina the Zangmi the Itumi, Mikumowi. Nigga Jangilla, Ungshunga, Itum Domlaka, Ungushunga, Akang Sase. Itumi Kumowi, Kapinilla later, Rivana Zangmida, Rivana Kabanguia, Minginga Kang Sankawai, Archie Itum Hili, Kungurumawi. Kongarumawi, Pap Gadawi, Jan Gasamaka, Quikra, we attended the Shanquika Hene, Chivangana. Legishia Richard Malbing. In a dumb Chungam Quick, eh? Ka. Not to me. A month Saklaka higher. Siha Sakami. Lishikami. Godobkami. Chui, a lonely Pap Gadaji Zanga. Akainaka. Krajan Salaga, Haptang Rum Quilaga, Kamaya Jena, Itume Kyashi Kingia, Ramganing Muiva, candidate MBF, Ali, Kotomi Laglo. Ali, no way Amanka Saka, vote Sangmilo. Kalanana, Kotomi the vote Sangmida, Kapangakaina, Akakama Maningme, อีทุ่มใส่ก็ระกการเลยอีทุ่มฮีกการเสิร์ฟปั๊มเลยจุยฟังไงนะอามิงลีเราเงินนี้มวยว่ากันเช่นไงค่ะยูร์งเลยวีเซมกาเซ่ก็จิวลีเงินนิ่งเข้าไปก็กระเบื้องเนี่ยก็จะไปเห็นนะทุ่มนี่พับตาไม่ลงจีทุ่มอาชีฮิลิปั๊มดักเลยใส่ก็ระนะฮีอุ้งชุงแล้วก็กระเบื้องกาแล้วก็อีทุ่มมีเงินนิ่งซาดา people's representative วีซาดา party ฮีวี NPF เขาเลยดักเลยลีอีทุ่มนะอานังเงินนิ่งมีแล้วก็อีทุ่มยูร์วีขังเงินนิ่งอ่ะขังซาดาคุยกันแล้วก็จังกัดอีทุ่มนะวาดักเลยอีทุ่มนะนิ่งจังดักเลยก็เลยอีทุ่มนะฮิตาค่ะอีทุ่มไม่คริงครักเลยขังเจีก็หัวเจรังสักไงรัสเนี่ยเดเลยดักเลยเจ้าอาชีอาตมฮีเนี่ยอายาวีอีทุ่มเลยบักเบย์อายาวีอีทุ่มไม่ขวัดเลยดักเลยอาชีอีทุ่มซิมิกชัวอารุยอาตมฮีเลยการสังเดมาชุงริกก็ให้อังยุงเป่าคุยแล้วก็อักขมาจีวีวังอีทุ่มช็อกสักเสจีวีวังไอ้น่ะอีทุ่มรินดักเลยฮิตาดาสมบังดักเลยเพ่งรุมแล้วก็อรุยจันสมดักเลยอัตมสมบังดักเลย one day consultative meeting คุยดักเลยอัตมฮีคำว่าใส่มาซาละก็ใส่กุรุราสังดักเลยน่ะนิ่งก็ยังก็ซาละก็โอจาเราไม่นิ่งมวยวาลี NPF วี candidate ไปฮิลีอีทุ่มน่ะกระทอมเรออีทุ่มน่ะเสียหาซาสังมีเรอก็เราอุ้งกชุงงซาดาคุยการเรอก็จะวิดึงชิดคุยมีละนั่นทุ่มน่ะกับปังเรอก็จะชิดก็สังเลยเด้อนั่นทุ่มใส่ก็รู้เลยปังมาซื้อละก็สังมีลักโลก็ต้องมีลักโลอีทุ่มน่ะคุยการเซ่ก็จะเห็นนั่นทุ่มเลยรักกระโปเลยนั่นทุ่มน่ะพับตาเจ้าละก็เมื่อแต่ไม่ใหญ่ก็จะปังกับข้างจีอีน่ะโอจ้าเราไม่นิ่งนี่อุ้งหังลักเร่นั่นทุ่มน่ะไม่ยาทะเลก็ต้องเจ้าลักให้เลยก็จะคุยพุ่งก็นั่นทุ่มไม่ร้อมสังก็มีจีก็จะเห็นรักกระโปเลยจึงเรียนนั่งนักมีวังนิ่งชี้ให้เลย
Sir N. Frankie, Chief Agent to NBF Candidate 44 AC Ocharang Waning Wiwawi, Chief Agent, Sir Frankie Lining Shilangare, the Natum Psycho really ragasat Sangmi Haji Wangala, Humpung Liragatsip Duck Lake, Tana being on behalf Sada, Ocharang Waningli Unhamilo, Iram Humpung now Psycho, Iram Lee Halibam Duck Lake, Psychorana, Ocharang Waningli to Kokasada Gotomi Lak the Lay, Seagasai and Soda, Alikatom Kami Lak, Regala Gotom Kami. Kawai tum ready sire que um hang milo que message la hang chipon ngai itum thai ka thai la thai ngro kai re jena cha la mang kawai sa sai kha cha ma mang chao rang la ga la itum speech minute akha khani mang wi speech akha kui se ari itum na speech hi Sir Samuel Rizom working president NBF Central Anatam Khmir no
mà tùy ra được mấy phần sao mà nè moderator nè tâm khami vang ninh xé cái lần mà tay lá cái nào chưa vào is center when ông được lệ is honorable Emily Vicky Osu former minister cái lệ is Manipur in charge à when ông nào sẽ cái là is center with leaders being trusted lệ atum we nang nase the ilata the click sanaje in phaya thalala iliadam khami wang kalana tumnala in phalak aina mathan mere waina zat the click wang rami the click wang na tumlila ningsia rivran lo somirno bible ta da hang rivrawi now ji cái thà đó rivrawi nào này cái gì cái thà đó thay bike là rivrawi nào này cái gì khi nào mà chụp bike là how a child of God is identified từng han này cái này chỉ linh han gaji a person who loves the Lord and others. Rivali legacy mi, kong nai nào li legacy mi ji, rivali nào ne de theye, ji ne atsap ji, ji ne kamachud ne, yana ila ka shaban dang da rivra le shikwai kala ilitiken ma misala la ramnu wali ka tomlo ali le shilo iram na ping awivang yang learn ji short la ka wasamilo jina ichung hui humbum na ping i rivra wi naw na da the ko ji ina ji la han da frankly chief agent mi khai wang le ning chi ye anala vapo khui mening de mre na the ye Frankie is the first president of Umbum unit, so it's befitting selection on the part of Ram Wiva, appointing him as a chief agent. I'm grateful to him also, Frankie. Thalak in the wasami lo. Ishi now na, thalak in the ishi pai shover, now me kani lately. Now lava canal baji. I don't think Delhi guide. Second year campus law centrally. Delhi we campus law centrally. Law second year term delay. The tea nali ticket not me eating pie away. Are e Delhi cover physical class lao pokai e cover. Achava nali ticket missy e. Lại đi làm mà bài class làm mà dâng bài sàn lên là chót lên là khang lên cái xe ba sa mi bấm gì chứ are I'm relieved my daughter said I'm relieved now I can go now she is in Delhi chỉ thấy chứ ili ticket mà khôngมีchế nữa hắn sẽ là she brave lên phải ye in nào khani in nào miếng khani also là ron là để đi rình phai, cái là nợ rình phai hậu cái đó, ít mà rình phai. Ticket sang cái phẳng, mất sang cái phẳng, vào bản đi cái, ý làm nào vậy? Election sang là cái cá mất cái cá, vào bản đi cái. Vậy nữa, in à, chứ, ý làm mang li maning là. District Pay da Chanapati la Tamenglong la Chantel la Jimang Maning la AC cái gì đó Assembly Constituency c'est Jingai li Fishim mui bang Deng no bali Kurung thang mui bang da independent atom candidate mui bang ina campaign dân mi da klik ji ila ring phalak cái là yêu quý xã cái sao vậy MPF party hi Rivra na John Mida chúng mấy card mồ hôi mấy card và cái chỉ party sang sang milo chỉ quý xã sao ishi aju thara chатele candidate thara Tamenglong li khani Chantel li khani Chanapati li kuthum Ukhrul li kuthum thara bang lắc ai đồng sát sát được campaign này khăn áo thầm mà day 3 li before noon paro mà mang đi campaign close out date 5 li vote sagi date 10 đi vậy yêu coi mà li bấm sao đấy isu honorable Emily Vicky Hosui tung là coi mà li bấm sao đấy cả cả chịu record quy lực à chẳng cái thằng government form sao xí cái gì chỉ thằng chỉ ít một chút báo cáo cái gì result ngài rai mà man được in a three khai 2017 im mà cam này 2017 li ishi mất đi cái MPF mất đi cái đi co minister awang bo minister ratio hilia committee chairman Fushim beti kai mati manga ko Congress ipopi na than ka makvuta chishat ka ko Congress was ready to form government NPP ashi mati zang la ka thumra da ka government form sa pai kai nam ning la thumra da khani ka hola yana ipopi na ali deputy CM mira ali finance mi po following years po kai sa de atum ji ka Dr. Sozel na ko hi ma we na result shock thang isi MPF mati ga re je na Dr. Sozulin ne ki ha this time 2017 ko je this time will not allow Congress to form government in Manipur Congress li government ma shen san bra Dr. Sozulin ne wau ta khai ma ku de ji sha ji li mi mati na chong me khai Congress we ma ku de ji sha ji li MPF we mati na yu khai issue with President Dr. Sozulin tùy chỉ mà tùy ta khréo đó ipopi we kem chỉ cái phố cái asikle đó we Sham Kumar Long yam cái NPP ateng Joy Kumar Long deputy CM jang mening la Jan Dalong health minister atum bing le yam cái yam ser cái nên là BJP mà cứ ta akhamang ka ba chi chỉ MPF na ba tom là cái government form sa cái in a EU campaign speech li ha MPF we bunch of number li kale meaning na asiva number meti mangi ji asiva tharai ji ke jili bunch of ji li kale meaning la the strength of MPF doesn't lie in numbers issue we bunch of MPF we bunch of number li malay ji ha jena in a hang de kale MPF mà chỉ mang cả là chắc cái băng người MPF we băng chấp cái chuyện anh khắc lỡ cái MPF we party we băng chấp FIDE non-armies by faith not by arms cái gì hả issue motto li FIDE non-armies hả issue motto chít cái sân nữa Yugi băng chấp yang lớn này Yugi MPF we băng chấp chứ ô cái tuy li hi cái ta party mang vào này chẳng chỉ mang này nó thùng là MPF sao cơ băng chấp xong băng chứ mấy phải sao là mấy giàu ra lên bài cái MPF li chẳng hay cơ à thằng issue we Star campaigner Philson là cái đó, hả? MPF sang hai cái lính ta cố cái, lính cá lá cái, gì? Cô rung thằng long chi, kia chỉ là minister sai rồi, Congress rồi, Francis ngã chốt ba long chi, kia chỉ là Congress rồi, BJP rồi, bang chấp sinh là cái gì sai rồi, bị phúc, bấm phúc, mà bị bài gì, không quy ngập bật gì, mà bị vạ bài gì. Cái MPF luôn ngay cơ bị phúc cái à cho lên nó thùng nè cái là hung bùng nào biến nè MPF har vali vote nam cơ chỉ thằng nhà gì ra bị phúc kì hả không quý ác là măng bật kì aspira ra câu cái thằng cái gì mới chỉ được kì kỳ vọng cơ nên là MPF đi vote nam thằng gì knowing a day, knowing a lady, ling a tongue guy. Now we shit ka sang, itum Jesus Christ li shit sang ka kat mi yul da ja. Now we shit ka sang and the jiling a tongue guy na nam shanti ka. Kala no we identity. Itang kulte I humbum de inaka de ka jiwi identity. Jili nam kui ka na yui ka. Chỉ vắng ấy nè MPF li na vote nam thằng gì na yui khai you become a victorious person na khayu yam yak sa tu khai ha in example la hang ke prime minister lung de le home minister lung de le president BJP president Nata lung de le any minister campaign lung de le la mang sam lak le ja Kivang atu meaningly secure nu satu je as PGP himakar ni ka majur ni ka MPF na magatom ka masapay ni ka jiwining kamong lahat the prime minister when hopong la ka jang asu president na hopong ka jang madang lak la campaign mung dak le hot sak da tingum ma ka makaran ko West Bengal li la hot sak da Prime Minister, by Home Minister, by Defense Minister, by endless campaign. Ka, majura tu. Kiva, daily when farmers being recover now being leader aga, Rakesh, Tiket, daily when recover now aga West Bengal. Ana awi campaign di tuya kini mau BJP livon me mi bai mera na tum na mi ngai je ki pa kan mi BJP here lui khwa now sa si bin thau ki ji party ne ha lui khwa now bing we 3 farmers act the liren tu lui khwa now bing we 3 farmers law BJP ne than na ka ja lui khwa now bing we mang bai hui mi sar ka Luing by we Mr. Kai physically that the Makuisa no we have wundi none of Shimli Mopung by la company Kaha being Kashang Chang cooperates being your two Serkai, Lukwa now being Maza Filum Sambantuji Jiwi Law de Legi Jivana Farmer Bajina, Prime Minister and Gamatu Dasala, Home Minister and Gakamatu Dasala. Lui khwa now ba jin ne jang itum lui khwa now bi ok twi se ring sa ji ka BJP li vote pai ka chang da khup da Mamata Banerjee ya chinau ba ji West Bengal lu chief minister ba ji awe Trinamool ji vote mi thui kya ka homa aj prime minister unda home minister unda BJP minister unda Biren cái vùng mình lên mang vam này, hung vùng mình lên mang vam này, lui cái đông chứ hung vùng mình lui cái đông chứ state government người ta mà tùy tới cái gì, nó chỉ sang bay lá, cái gì mà giá lá nó chứ, cái là chỉ vang vote mình cái gì lá, nó vì lui ra thằng bay mà, nó vì hàng, nó vì thiên cam ra thằng bay mà, vote mình cái gì lá, hay sao vang cái nó vote mà mình, nó vì mình riêng người tăng phải, nó vì chim khôn người tăng phải, nó vì nòng ra vì itum shit kasa Christa hi itubui rivrana da aruila inong rabing la khano anh dang hang chak phai wa vote mi lo church sa khai mi khwai mission school kya hale de mission school sa khai mi khwai sister bing ni rape sa mi khwai church sa khai la ka hindu maning khap sa bai mra da variation sa bai mra sa dak le example la ka gang tu ma ko ye ari issue with leader being center when the leader being louder in the tumni tra kam ba ka chu ma sik sik no we ngale na ma man kwai no we chris do we mi yu na gi ma man kwai ya hum bum mi ngale na de ji ka tha khanao an dang da itumi mi yu rak sa da ok tri kwai phai ka ji mong mi kwai mo gong mi kwai MPF report.
Thank you, Sir Samuel Rizom. Working President, NBF Central. He is also the chairman for this 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election 2022. Aja Samuel Lining Shilagare itumli matalaga ina dam chithe ga jiwang. As a small reminder for our dignitaries, on behalf of Hung Bung citizens, I would like to say a few words. For the citizens of Hung Bung, we see NBF as Sir Samuel Rizom because he is the founder who bring NBF into our village. It doesn't mean that we are not supporting Sir Ramguning Wiwa. Under his leadership, we the citizens of Hung Bung, we all are supporting Sir Ramguning Wiwa, who is the candidate of NBF, wholeheartedly, because Sir Samuel has taught us what NBF is. And as a Naga, where we are, so we wholeheartedly NBF a Humbung citizen, we are supporting Sir Ram Ganing Wiwa under the leadership of Sir Samuel Risom. Sir Samuel Risom, thank you so much once again. Iram Nobingwa Kachungbana, Arena Kangtada, NBF Jika Sir Samuel Risom, the Paning Rock said the young, Kivang Lejiga itumli, NBF Anakui Miwo, Anakui Milga itum Adza Ali candidate ticket mummy to the itum NBF Lihum Bashiva, which are Ningli support Masaniga, the Paningji. Everyone in the town keep on asking whether Humbung will support Sir Ramuning Wiva or not, because the gate has been denied to Sir Samuel Rizom. But we, Humbung citizens, we are not chicken-hearted, because we know what NBF is. Itum NBF Saikoro Humbung now Saikoro na Sir Ramuning Wiva Likatom the Lake. NBF Hiva Sir Ramuni, Sir Samuel Maning Mani, Sir Ramuning Wiva Maning Ka, it is a movement for Naga as a citizen. As a citizen of Naga, it is not only an election, political election, but it is a movement for all of us. In between, we will have a refreshment. Right after refreshment, Sir Vicky, so you can take your time. We'll have a short break for refreshment. While the refreshment is being served, I would like to introduce Uncle Chiri. Uncle Nana Akshi, please say another Akshi Migila. Thank you so much. He is residing in our village. He is the advisor of NBF Hum Lekong. He is a retired under secretary, under Nagaland Secretariat Kohima. Yeah, thank you so much. It is a great privilege and pleasure for us. Thank you, Awaning Shinaire. Thank you. La saba mamao China youth service la yauda youth service ku bai laga hi ku kriau da gazipung li aja Samuel shimli lawo humpong wi youth organization bingli so da akshika program interaction program khu kangai da hang da le jine atam hili laga sangala anamatugi jila matiru no kha hili hopo khawai sa
Hello? Hello?
itumui program hi mathang dalishit khabasa se are
Hello.
Hello, thank you. Ari itumli madwigi ji sir Vicky also Honorable MLA Government of Nagaland. Kala ahi Manipur we in charge ne sir he kangatay maning ni itumwi we can even call father-in-law. Itumwangwa father-in-law ko iram na bingwangwa amaying Ranmi Matthew ahi Nagaland lagakwini. Acha Vicky also hosu we John will we now nglavali iram now amaying Ranmi Matthew anagakwini ahi ocha machihan v machihan Machihan Vareng now Shui, now Mayera, a main Rami Matthew, Serviki also we a John Vu now Lavali Hui. Jena Iram Wivangwa, we can even call him our father in law. Yeah. Sir, you can please take your time.
Good afternoon, everyone. Are you okay? You want to stand up once? Or yeah, I think it's been over 2 hours. Okay, thank you. The moderator of the afternoon program, Miss Ning Nim. My respect to my colleague and friend Samuel Risom, our ex-MLA and the Manipur in charge for this election. He is also the working president of NPF Central. My respect to the chief agent and the advisor of Ramaning Muiwa, my team from the Central, the elders gathered here this afternoon, the women's, the youths. I'm told you are all represented from different organizations, the NPF patrol divisions, and all of you gathered here. I want to thank God first for giving us this opportunity to come and greet you all this afternoon. You know, when we do rallies outside, we often make slogans, or we often shout, or we often create propaganda. But today, the meeting itself, consultative meeting itself, is such that we will intimately discuss few things, go into the detail of why we are here and for what purpose. But before that, as I stand here, inadequate as I am, I stand here for representing the Naga People's Front. And before I begin my short speech, I would like to pay my respect and honor to the Tangkhul leaders that and living. To begin with, Mr. Let Susa. We also call him Susa Proposal, famously known as Susa Proposal, the first MP from the Naga people, among the Nagas, I mean. I also pay my respect to late Romeo Zimik, the legendary freedom fighter. I pay my respect to T.H. Muiva, who is still alive and is leading the negotiation between Government of India and the Naga people for final settlement. I pay my respect to Reverend Mashante Ruiva, who I believe is 90 plus and still alive, for bringing Christianity to this part of Tangkhul area and to many other areas as well. I pay my respect to Dr. W. Shisak, late Dr. W. Shisak, your first IAS. I also pay my respect to Miss Christine Tenson Raikham, your first IAS lady IAS officer. I pay my respect to Reverend Dr. Tuizam Shisak, the first educationist, not only to the Tangkhuls, but has educated the Naga people at large. And not forgetting your own very Zhang Francis, if I'm able to speak well. Right. Your first scientist and your very own K.T. Rock, under whose memory this hall is built. It is, the list may go on, but time would not permit me to mention everyone's name. I joined the rest in saluting the Hundung people. This NPF, when it came to Manipur, you were the backbone. You are still the backbone. And it is my belief that you will still continue to be the backbone of this NPF, even in the coming days. I am told that you are very rich, as my friend Philson had mentioned, very rich in many ways. You are the stone sand producer highest in Ukhrul, I'm told. That is very encouraging. We also heard about your Thario Panit Festival of Fun and Fear, which is very encouraging. And there are so many people I would like to mention, but time would not permit me. But I want to make a special mention about my friend Samuel for his courage and for his large-heartedness. He was and he will be the backbone of NPF, and this time round he deserved all the respect and honor to be given ticket, NPF ticket. But it so happened that it was a collective decision, and with your approval we had to give ticket to Ramaning Muiva. Today I'm so glad that he has stood and he has agreed to support Ram Muiva, and he will take Hundung farther forward as he has been doing, which is very encouraging. I pay my respect to him. You are all aware of NPF, and you know NPF. That is the reason why you all joined this party. I believe so. But taking this opportunity to be here this afternoon, I want to begin my speech with the background of how NPF came into being. You know, the state of Nagaland became the 16th state in 1963 under the initiative of NPC, Naga People's Convention. You will all know that Naga People's Convention was more or less represented by the educated group and the bureaucrats at that time, at that point of time. They brought the statehood of Nagaland without having sufficient consultation with the undivided NNC at that point of time. And therefore, the NNC could not accept the statehood in toto, and the struggle began. and the struggle continued to this day. Unfortunately, there are so many groups over the years, and they had to take up arms in order to protect and preserve our right. At that point of time, there were a group of leaders again who felt that since election has been imposed, 2 elections were boycotted, but it becomes inevitable for Nagas to participate in the Indian state election. Therefore, at that point of time, a group of educated Nagas under the leadership of A.K. Vichusa formed a party called DPN, Democratic Party of Nagaland. It got registered in 1963 and participated in the 3rd election 1964 as DPN, Democratic Party Nagaland, with the sole purpose to broker peace between Government of India and the undivided NNC who took up arms. So in 1964 election, DPN set up 12 candidates, and all 12 candidates won. Very soon in 1964, ceasefire was signed between Government of India and the undivided NNC at that time. And therefore, this 12-member DPN, 12-member, they were happy to resign because the ceasefire began, and therefore they wanted Government of India and the federal government, NNC government at that time, to resolve Indo-Naga issue. Unfortunately, the ceasefire could not bring solution. And that's how the revolutionaries went on fighting with arms. And the need for this DPN, 12 members DPN, the need for this DPN to go forward fighting for our Naga rights democratically under the Constitution of India. And that's how DPN later on changed its name to UFN. From UFN, it changed its name to NNDP. From NNDP, it changed its name to UDF. From UDF, it changed its name to NPC. And today, we are christened as NPF. NPF, the nomenclature we took NPF was in 2003 under the leadership of Dr. Sirozule, who is still the president, and the then Chief Minister Nipiu Rio. With so much difficulties, NPF was launched in Manipur, in the state of Manipur, 2012. 11. Initially, it was Nagaland People's Front. But because of the wisdom and the courage of our leaders, the nomenclature was changed to Naga People's Front in order to take this party forward to where, or to rather reach out to wherever Nagas are residing besides Nagaland state. And that's how we are here today. We should be grateful and we should be proud today because this political party is one of the oldest regional political party in the entire Northeast, or for that matter, even in the Indian mainland. In 2012, Samuel had touched a little bit, I believe, first election. You elected 4 NPF. Samuel Risom, Alexander Paul, Victor Nunglong, and Dick Ho. Unfortunately, they were in opposition because it was ruled by the BJP, by the Bobby-led Congress government. During that time, the Assembly passed 3 laws, 3 bills. One is the People's Protection Bill 2015, another is the Shops and Establishment Bill 2015, Land Revenue and Land Reforms 2015. These bills were anti-tribal bill, and therefore we requested the 3 MLAs to resign from their respective position as MLA. Manipur Assembly passed the bill, but in order for the bill to become a law, it has to take the assent of the President of India. Their resigning from the respective posts as MLA against this bill prevented the President from signing the bill. This is how you have your land intact till now. So that is our first inning, precisely in brief. The second inning, 2017, we are grateful to all of you again. You elected 4 of them. Awang Bo, who is a minister, Diko, who is a minister, Leshio, Keshin, and Kashim Basham, 4 of them. In this period, 2017 till now, as we close up for election, we have seen a better relationship coming between the hill people particularly and the Métis, the valley people. We also have witnessed certain developmental activities, but not to our satisfaction yet. We are doubtful of the slogan given by the government of India, "Go to the hills." Will it really happen? This is the big question. 2022, as we close up for election, what do we look forward for? What do we look forward to? I would urge our people here, Hundong people here this afternoon, we have to look towards the fulfillment of "Go to the hills" as pronounced by the government of Manipur. If we come back to power, is the government really going to implement this? Why I'm saying doubtful is because your bill, Hill Area Autonomous District Council Bill of 2021, has everything for you for now. It has your future. It has all development programs, everything inside. On the other hand is the "Go to Hill" for your development. On the other hand, government of Manipur does not want to pass the bill. And therefore, this is the confusion we have. We are requesting you, therefore, what do we look for in 2022 as we close for election? We have to see that this bill is passed. We come to the government in good number and urge the government of Manipur to pass this bill for the welfare of not only the Naga people, but for the welfare of the hill people as a whole. If we come to power, what should we look for? Not only the Nagas, but the hill people, in other words, the northeastern state as a whole. We need to look for quality development, quality infrastructure in all aspects of our developments. Besides development, there are issues that has really disturbed the life and the quality of the people in the hills. One such is the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. We are not terrorists. The hill people are not terrorists. The hill people are not animals. so that they can shoot at them at any time. They can ransack their property anytime. They can desecrate our churches anytime. No, it is not. Therefore, in Nagaland, we have initiated. In Nagaland, we have come together as opposition-less government. And one of the main agenda that we are pushing forward to the government of India is to repeal this Armed Forces Special Power Act of 1958. We want to urge the people here, and we want to urge the government here. All the northeastern states should come forward together to repeal these black laws, to do away this Armed Forces Special Power Act. You will remember, and you know, under this act, what happened in Oinam. The whole village was herded outside the ground. For days, they were kept outside the ground. Women were forced to give birth in open ground. Women were raped. You also heard of Malom incident, where 10 people were shot dead by the 8 Assam Rifles. Later on, it was learned that it was a fake encounter. You also know that Irom Chanu Sharmila, who is famously known for, or called as Iron Lady, how she fasted for 16 years to repeal this bill, to repeal this act. When we hear about the name of Rose, we all feel sad. How she was raped and shot. Yesterday at, I can't pronounce the village, in Ngai Ngai. Am I right? Ngai Nge, right. Yesterday in Ngai Nge, we paid a visit to the grave of Lingamla. These are sad memories which can never be erased from our mind, from our heart. And therefore, we urge you, it is NPF that will take you forward to repeal this act, to do away with these draconian laws. I'm urging, therefore, all of you here. You are all leaders here this afternoon. None of you are public. We are all leaders at different capacities. We want you to take these issues very seriously and support the NPF. I have not come here to talk ill about Indian National Congress or the BJP. But the fact you must know, back home in Nagaland, we voted out the Indian National Congress, INC, in 2003. Why? Ceasefire came to Nagaland in 1997. We were approaching election in 1998. And that's where the entire Naga people came forward and urged all the political parties not to file nomination. They gave a slogan, Nagas one solution, no election. The Congress party, at that point of time, began to doubt the ceasefire. They were not so much willing to let the ceasefire extension. Rather, they were trying to call off the ceasefire. And therefore, Naga people voted them out. When the slogan solution for no election was given, all political parties except Congress when nominated their candidate, filed their nomination, and they ran the government for 5 years. In 2003, when election came, they were doubtful of extending this ceasefire. That's why Naga people voted them out from the government. Since then, regional government took over in Nagaland. We are here today in partnership with BJP. NPF is a coalition partner with BJP in government. But we are doubtful, and we are urging the BJP government why. In 2000, let me go back again to Nagaland. In 2018 election, all political parties came together and took a decision that we will not go for election. We urge that we will jointly give a petition to the government of India for no election. We were asking for a solution. Even the BJP office or BJP party participated in that meeting. But later on, the high command from the Delhi questioned the BJP party workers who had gone to attend that meeting and suspended them and gave a slogan, election for solution. We are close to election again, even in Nagaland, next year. Where is the slogan, solution, election for solution in Nagaland? The Prime Minister of India himself had mentioned that during his time, the Indo-Naga political issue would be resolved. But as I said, we are heading to another election. And therefore, I do not blame the candidates for choosing BJP or INC or JDU or anything, because this is politics. I do not blame them. But I will blame you. I will feel sorry if you do not understand this and if you vote for parties that are not sincere to the Naga issue. I would urge you to come forward and take this NPF party as yours. You know, the Asian century is the projected 21st century. Dominance of Asian politics and culture, assuming certain demographic and economic trends persist. The concept of Asian century parallels the characterization of the 19th century as British imperial century and the 20th century as the American century. I hope you get what I'm saying. 21st century belongs to Asians. This is what I mean. It is projected that by 2050, Asia will be transformed as its urban population will nearly double, 1.6 million to 3 billion. Asia's cities, which has already accounted for more than 80% of economic output, will be the center of higher education, innovation, and technological development. India as a country is looking for corruption-free, poverty-free, injustice, and complete transparency. Country that will give more importance to women. Where would you like our Nagas to be at this juncture and as we move towards a century for Asia? This is what I would like to ask our Naga leaders today. process of transformation has begun. The impact of culture and character is already in play and will continue to do so. Under such given circumstances, we need an honest, dedicated, well-informed, and quality leadership. We all know about Dubai and Singapore, how they were transformed to what they are today. It's because political leadership. When you choose the right leadership, when you are able to pick up the right person as your representative, we will transform like any other place. Today, I'm here to speak about for Ramaningwiwa, who needs no introduction, I think, in Tangkhul community. It will be a loss to our Tangkhul community if you cannot elect him who has everything for you, or whose contribution will not only be enjoyed by the Tangkhul community, but the rest of Manipur state, or even beyond. He is right at the moment not with us. He is on an equally important meetings, but I'm sure you all have met him. So we would like to urge, we have come all the way from Nagaland here not to just simply talk to you because election is going on, but we are looking for true leadership, and you have it. And therefore, today, I would like to urge our Hundung, the backbone of NPF. You will be and you will continue to be. Please give all you can for Ram and elect him. Thank you. Pugnalim.
Thank you, Sir Vigisu, for your encouraging and challenging word. It is our humble prayer that may your presence be a blessing to each and everyone and wherever you go, especially for Southern Nagaland as well. Thank you, sir. Sir Vigisu hi adang ina khang ta da iram naw bang wai thum gi awu ka tha ne chena ring phai sir na thum li encouraging salag high message ra khami wang sir we message li inspire salag high akajiba NBF hiwa khangatai wi political party thada yung wi wala chata khle mani mo ko naka ko siwang ne cha ka achakum itumna itumi mangali 2012 li MLA mati ka bangai laga naka wi kala tribal wi bang tergar ka sale na tum step down sala ka resign salo ka chitran itumi naka MLA bing hiwa NBF wi MLA hiwa Yurli legishia mi partia kasada targar le aka ili ka panga ka ha hi ima naka yurna ne naka wiwang ne itum tribal wiwang ne cha ka itum ning itum na bamdak le chair hi vacate sala itum step down sara da itum wiwang ning hakla gaina mangali le dak le acha samon na thanda ashi MLA mati itum wang resign sami ko ning shila gai re ji acha samuel kala awi timing le akshi da hang phun ngai lu Kala ojawi ojana iram hiba atumuna kashali adang lahangula NB humbung hiba NBF wi backbone ne humbung hiba ka them la ka shang la ka than la ka chung ka lei chi iram wi ka them iram wi ka shang iram ning ka hak chi achila akashida 2022 wi MLA election hili ocharam ningli khokasa da itum NBF li katom ga lagaitum naka wiwang gala tribal as a whole wiwang ningka li shitse gaji hi akshi da remind sangaye meeting hi gup khriau da anga acha samolu shimli Hungbung Youth Wing Li itumui kiashi by MLA na sambangai le kharjan sangai na le jena Youth Wing side na program hi kup kriada na tum chili oja samoli shimli gzibi khawai ngohodalai kala meeting hi kup ngai na ngashuda Hungbung Unit Women Wing kala chiwi atsingli laida klai sub unit panga hamlei khong tungrei wasim dang aung dang kasipung unit panga kala parent body kala self help group katong chi kshika bamisalo gi hila request sangai dalai araitum program hi ngachang sang mai fai vote of thanks si N Isaac president NBF Hungbung unit Sarna Adam Kumirano.
Thank you, moderator, Madam Anim, Women Wing, Vice President MSU. I, on behalf of NBF Hungbung unit, would like to say thank you to Sir Y. Vicky Hosu, Honorable MLA, Governments of Nagaland and Manipur in charge, and his colleagues, party leaders coming from Nagaland. We are very much highly appreciate you for your deep concern and coming to support to us. Thank you so much. May the good Lord be with you and bless upon you. Thank you. Itumule, Piasigabai, Sir Samuel Risom, Honorable ex-MLA, Working President Senator, Chairman Election Committee Manipur, Anala, meeting hili rim palakai na rang ram khaweng bang ning si phungsok tale kala Sir Frankie Chief Agent to Sir Ramwiba kala Sir Stephen Advisor to Sir Ramwiba anina la rang ram khami bang Hungbung NBF unit we songai na ning si kichung ka phungsok tale lang mai de Sir Filson, Star Campaigner, Kala Ungjibem Mahung, Aninala Achiwi program Hili, Bapung Palagina, Kasat Sankame Wibang, Ningshikajunka Mitele, Itumili, Hungbung unit willing Rumsa Chingda Clay, Miss Ngamre P, Women Wing Working President MSU, Kala Miss Wire Pilajon, Press Secretary, Recruit Division, Madam Young Mila, Women Wing President 44 AC, Atumnala, Ragatomida, Program Hirangaram Kumibang, Ningshikachunka, Pongsok Dele. Matailagina, Madam Anemina, Miss Ngamrepi, Hungbung unit we. Od mga kachivuli manothalakla nasosa chinge kala od sakram chinge mong kasung mawag sung kya khalay salala aniwi ngachon kami mangay na od mapung palagay na satsatali kachi yari lichi tingaye achi media bing rang rumda khalay nutum saikuro lila ning si midali ratsangda khalay iram nao kharnao bing natum nala Matan the turbine meeting Hilirasan Milvang, Ning Shilak Haire Gihi, Hungbung unit, the Salam Jipundale. Now make up the Isi Hungbung unit we. Department Katong Awena, Rangarum de Kale, Katana Bing Sai Quarter. Not whom the Hidadarakung Rumbang, not to be Ningishi commanding soda. Akamakanotang election sau gigi hili itum saikur naningada kachichawe kasap kishok laka otsa se gigi hina tumne hangsangaye kalalang maida na tum saikur le very we so kami sarano aju election hili ojar ramganing ali itum na khangada khayya philan sambang se gji hi psychorally hi hangsang ka tang sa ko ning sila kare.
Thank you, NISIC, President NBF Humbung Unit for word of thanks. Are itumna program hi kup sang kawai sa se are na thang kahang thala program hi kup kriauda oja itumwe kya shigni MLA kala Sir Samuel Witim ji Sir Samuel Wishimli Youth Wing ling sobo maure hili Women Wing SSG grouping katonga ji meeting hi kupai laga hili pa misalo atwa ababa bashli mo homre mering pham salo Jane ang soda itumwe center team hina Ichi Women Wing with team rather clay in it, Milrazang the clay, Alexia, Shavu Shava. Na, psychorally, Ava Bashimini, Ava being psychorally, he leave photo Akakap say program he could buy like a mere Washlimas and Sakla, the Kangutumti, Ashlimashaka hang the legend, photo Gapsili, Ava being a tongue and a Katsang Milo, he hung I. Now, for closing him, we shall all raise up and sing together KKL number 193. Closing prayer will be pronounced by Warar Pilajon, Press Secretary, and BF Women Wing Cruel Division. Saikor na kyak chen ninga datum. Verse 1 kala chorus sangarum se. Itum braho ishamaichi itum yin kabai pam na. Itum braho ishamai itum yin kabai pam na. In Kavai Pam, Katsing Kamar Chitarale, Sing Kamar Chitara, Itum Yin Kavai Pam na, Yin Kavai Pam na. In Chishikulaka, Shiapam Chili, Nali.
Let us bow down and pray. Gracious Heavenly Father, we thank you for today's one-day consultative meeting at Katie Rock Hall. Lord, we thank you for delivering us successfully today. Lord, we also thank you for the speaker you brought us for us, Sir Vicky Ho, Emily, and his team. And Lord, we also thank you for all the speakers coming here and deliver us a valuable message for us. And Lord, we also praying for the Ramganing Muiba forthcoming election. Lord, bless him. Lord, bless him and be a successful and make him a winner and crown him the glory of winner. Lord, we are praying for him. Make him healthy also. Lord, we are also thank you very much for bringing us a Leonard man to our 44 SC ST. Lord, every person here who are NBF member and NBF leader, we support him. Lord, give him a strength also, and let everyone be a unity and stand for the Naga People's Front. Lord, We thank you everything for today's program. Lord, you with us and till the end of this program. Lord, bless us, each and every one of us. Now we are depart from here. Everyone who are near and far, Lord, now we pray for all these in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Abang bashi ba hentek sakri lagi shok bayar ya abang bingo bam sapu se. Abang bashi ba shibure nong sera la abang bashi pasam re.